Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Vikas Nitsal. In today's video, we're going to see how to design a FIR filter, in that low pass filter designing using a Blackman window. It is very simple to design a low pass filter using a Blackman window. So how to do that? So let us start the actual programming. First, open the MATLAB software. In MATLAB, you can open the editor window. In that, simply I have taken the I have written the title of that MATLAB code. Then you can write CLC to clear the command window. Then you can write clear all to clear the workspace. Then we can take whatever the cutoff frequency for low pass filter. You can take 0.5 into pi. You can change the cutoff frequency and you can see the difference. Then for number of samples, for how many samples you have to design a low pass filter, so I'm going to take 25. Then I have to calculate value of alpha as per a FIR filter design is equal to n minus 1 divided by 2. Then I have to take the value of epsilon, so I will take 0.001. Then I will take for how many time period I have to define that, so that small n is equal to 0 as to 1 as to capital N minus 1. Then I have to write whatever the desired frequency response, or basically is called as the desired impulse response, that is HD is equal to, in bracket, sine, again in bracket, omega c, into, again in bracket, n minus alpha plus EPS 3-time bracket complete, divided by pi into, again in bracket, n minus alpha plus epsilon 2 times bracket complete. So in this division we have to take a dot, because sometimes in MATLAB we have to take a dot. Then I will take whatever the window function for a Blackman window, so I will write, for example, WB is equal to, the command for a Blackman window is nothing but Blackman of. Then next I have taken a whatever the Blackman window function. Then you can write Hn is equal to, that is the impulse response, is equal to, just multiply that window function with the desired frequency response. So I will write WB dash, because I have to convert this row into column, so that's why I have taken dash, into HD. Then I required the angular frequency to plot that frequency Z response, so I will take 0 as to 0.00, or I will take 0.01 as to pi. Then I will write H is equal to, in frequency Z, because I have to calculate frequency Z response, so frequency Z, again in bracket, Hn comma 1. This is a fixed command for the calculation of a frequency Z function. Then I will write plot, in bracket I can write W divided by pi, means angular frequency divided by pi, and I will calculate whatever the absolute value for that, the absolute of H. You can also give the X label, is nothing but frequency, in single inverted comma you can give the frequency, and you can write Y label as a amplitude, and also you can give the title, that FIR low pass filter design using Blackman window. Okay, so this is the program. Then you can go to the editor, just click on the run option, then save your file. Okay, there is only one problem in a command window. Simply I have written a wrong spelling of title, so then also so that's why the title is not showing. So once again I will run this. Once again I will run. So now you can see the output. The FIR low pass filter design using a Blackman window is a low pass filter. So as compared to Henning, Hamming rectangular window, so using Blackman window you are getting a smooth low pass filter designing. So this is one of the best window function that we can use for a FIR low pass filter designing. Now after that, if you want to take a printout, then just go to the edit options, just click on the figure properties and just make background color as a white and just go to the file options and take a printout. That's it. Okay, so if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and like my videos and also share these videos. So thank you everyone. We will see the next MATLAB code in the next video. Bye bye.